Get ready for an extraordinary journey. In a world where business excellence is the ultimate goal, we invite you to be part of something exceptional. Introducing the Journey of Business Excellence, an event like no other. Join us in the beautiful city of Ljubljana, Slovenia, on October 26, 2023. Why attend this event? It's simple. International experts will ignite your passion for excellence. Strategic topics will empower your team with new ideas. Network with fellow professionals who share your vision. Explore a wealth of knowledge on lean thinking, operational excellence, customer centricity, and innovation. We will be joined by none other than the example of overnight excellence, Slovenian MasterChef Zala Pungeršič. Move out of your comfort zone and be part of the lean revolution. Join us on the journey of business excellence. Secure your place today. Don't miss out on this transformative experience. See you in October.